Nitric Boost makes me feel sharper and more focused without making me jittery or making my energy crash later in the day. I work in sales, and income-wise, I just had the best month of my career.
My confidence is back, and my sex life has been on fire ever since. Every guy should keep some Nitric Boost on hand.
I've been married to the love of my life for almost 20 years, and I thought it was normal for the sexual intimacy to end at a certain point. But this turned back the clock on our love life. It put the spark and excitement back in our relationship, and it's made us feel closer than ever. It goes to show you it's never too late. And for me, the benefits go way beyond the bed. I haven't felt this healthy and energetic in 10 or even 15 years.
I've struggled with ED for years, but this changed everything. My erections are as solid as when I was in my early 20s, but they're better because now I can control how long I go. I've got more sensitivity as well. The sensation is incredible, and when I finish, the intensity is through the roof.
So my husband John was having issues in bed. I thought it was just a temporary thing because of all the pressure from his job, but then it started becoming a real problem. I didn't know what to think. Was it my fault? Was he just not that into me anymore? So when I learned about this method, I went ahead and ordered some. It took some convincing, but I did get him to try it, and he absolutely loved the taste. A few weeks later, I was out shopping, and he called me and said, "Honey, you need to come home right now." Ever since then, we've been doing it almost every night. And you want to know the even better part? I swear he's gotten bigger.
The difference it makes with my erections is incredible. But I also love the energy lift it gives me. I even stopped drinking coffee because I don't need it.
Now my confidence has soared, and I'm the one that's initiating intimacy in the bedroom with my wife.
Thankfully, a friend of mine recommended a miraculous solution. The first time Jessica and I got intimate, I really delivered.
I'm literally feeling like 10, 15 years younger. That's not all. I've also been slimming down, which felt like totally impossible before.
Every clinically researched ingredient in Nitric Boost has been carefully chosen, precisely measured, and laboratory tested to give you optimal benefits and fast, reliable results. This powerhouse collection of ingredients includes spirulina powder for healthier blood circulation and enhanced stamina and endurance. Nitric Boost also contains L-arginine and L-citrulline, two essential amino acids that raise nitric oxide levels and stimulates the production of cGMP molecules, the rocket fuel that makes you achieve maximum hardness. They also act as PDE5 inhibitors, shutting down the enzymes that disrupt erections. So once the action starts, you won't need to worry about losing your wood. Moreover, every scoop of Nitric Boost is fortified with vitamin D3, the erection accelerator that triggers rapid buildup of cGMP molecules and naturally increases testosterone levels. And you get just the right amount of niacin, which cleans out the hose by removing cholesterol deposits from artery walls and reducing plaque buildup. The powder also contains a trio of boosters that increase arousal and strengthen sexual performance: Panax ginseng, ginkgo biloba, and horny goatweed, which contains icarium. This compound has been scientifically shown to regenerate penile tissue so that you'll not only enjoy your hardest erections in years, they're likely to become larger than ever. That's just a quick glimpse of some of the natural ingredients in Nitric Boost. Thanks for spending your time with me today. I really look forward to hearing about your success with Nitric Boost.